Okay, wait. How cute are these? I just made these blue and white daisy earrings, and I'm in love. They're giving soft summer vibes, like little sky flowers or something. And yes, they're super beginner friendly. I used blue and white seed beads. Got them from Hobby Lobby. They have so many colors. 20 gauge wire to shape the base. Normally I'd use that for the frame, but today I had some bracelet wire lying around, so I just used that instead. It works just fine. And 26 gauge wire to make the little daisy petals. It's actually really easy once you get the hang of it. I also added a little charm at the bottom because why not? If you love making cute, funky jewelry on a budget, you're in the right place. Follow along step by step and pause if you need to. No stress. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, share with your crafty friends. And follow for more fun jewelry DIYs on